indulge me for a quick little jewellery appreciation post. So I've been shopping this jewellery brand for quite a while, but in a very cute little story. I've actually known the brand since I was 17. So I used to sell them at a jewellery store that I used to work at. Yeah, I'm pretty familiar with this brand, and it was very much a full circle moment for me to have them reach out and ask me if I'd like to do a collaboration with them. But I genuinely really do love their jewellery. They're all handmade in Israel with various different stones and precious metals. Obviously lots and lots of Swarovskis, as you can see. The quality is insane. They're so sparkly and so dramatic, which is just what I like. They're really all you need to make you feel fabulous in any outfit. And they were kind enough to gift me this fabulous set of earrings and a beautiful, beautiful necklace. So I'm going to show you some of the pieces that I own myself, bought myself, and that I have also been gifted. This is the other piece that I was very kindly gifted by them. Absolutely stunning. Look at the details on that. Fabulous, fabulous colour. I have these beauties that I wore to Melbourne Cup, the last Melbourne Cup. So they're an awesome pink and like a yellow pink shift pair of earrings, and I have the matching bracelet that goes with them. So there's the bracelet there, also absolutely stunning. Then I have these beautiful earrings that I wore for my birthday this year. So this is one of the rings. This is also one that I wore to Melbourne Cup. These beautiful ones. I love the colour combinations. All Swarovski crystal. They've all got adjustable sizing on their rings. Stunning. And then I have these two rings, which are from Bridgerton inspired collection. I love that so much. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I have to stop myself from getting that in the other colour that it comes in. Someone tell me that I don't need it. Anyway, I don't come on and speak on camera very much anymore, but I absolutely was very privileged to come and show you guys these jewels. So if you're into sparkly things or you love fashions in the field, this is definitely an awesome jewelry brand to check out. Mariana Jewellery, I love it.